Hi, this is Dana Corey from Avocor at the Almo E4 show here in Dallas. I wanted to show quickly our highlight in partnership with Zoom in offering the best of class Zoom room with the Avocor Touch, where we allow ourselves to come up, start a meeting, a whiteboard, share a screen, and join a meeting, all from the touch of the interface of the display. And then from there, taking that, jumping into whiteboarding, able to bring in their whiteboarding experience, allowing me to bring in the quality where I can annotate. I can then, of course, save this, share it, share with others. Others on the call can see it. I can start a meeting right from here as well. Or at the end of it, I can save it or I can close it off. In addition, because of the convenience of the Zoom room, I'm able to bring and share content, share screens through a very simple interface, which is a great design, or I'm able to come in from a desktop or a browser and begin to share that device, but also work with it and annotate on top of that, given the touch experience. So we're very excited to be partnered with Zoom on this thing. It's a great experience on the Zoom room. Very simple to operate, but also very elaborate in capabilities. So visit us at avocor.com or see an Almo rep.